Alright, let's take a look at example 18. Right now, when we apply quotient rule, realize that the denominator has a square root. So we apply step 1, apply quotient rule, dy dx, the whole thing over v square. If we were to square root 1 minus 4x, and then we square it, v square, what will we get? Yes, we'll get 1 minus 4x. So we must well directly write 1 minus 4x. Next, v, copy down the v, 1 minus 4x power half times du dx is 1 minus u dv dx. So we take a look at this one. This 1 minus 4x power half. Apply du dx times half 1 minus 4x power negative half. Differentiate inside the bracket, minus 4. Okay, so simplify first, and perhaps you can change your 1 minus 4x to the power half to in the form square root 1 minus 4x. Simplify, half times minus 4 times negative will give you plus 2. So plus 2, bracket x plus 1. Then apply negative indices, and straight away negative indices you're familiar already. So 1 minus 4x to the power of half, and change it directly to this. So square root this. Whole thing over 1 minus 4x. We need to change to a common denominator first at step 2. Okay, so we go on change just for this portion here, right? Means we want the same denominator. It means this first term times square root 1 minus 4x times square root 1 minus 4x over square root 1 minus 4x. We can multiply. Then we have the same denominator, square root 1 minus 4x. Then thirds, square root a times square root a is a. So square root 1 minus 4x times square root 1 minus 4x will give you, yes, 1 minus 4x plus, simplify, 2x plus 2. And then the whole thing over 1 minus 4x. So if you have like 2/3, and then you divide by another 4, isn't it the same as 2/3 divided by 4, which is the same as 2/3 times 1/4. So you can just divide by 3 divided by 4, you multiply them together, these two, and you have 2 over 3 times 4, right? So same thing here, we simplify first. So 2x minus 4x will give you minus 2x, and 1 plus 2 give you 3. So we can times this. Let's change this square root to 1 minus 4x power half times 1 minus 4x. So this power 1, can we apply law 1 of indices? And we get 3 minus 2x to the power of 1 minus 4x to the power of 3 over 2. And last one, we change and apply the last step, the rational indices. We get 3 minus 2x over square root 1 minus 4x to the power of 3. Okay, so that's how we approach this question. So maybe I just write down the steps clearly here. This was your step one. This one we are doing everything here. Our step two. Then we apply the third law. We multiply this times this. We got this. This is your step three. And then after we divide everything, we also have to apply our indices law one and change the rational indices. These last few steps are step four. Okay, so that's all for this video.